Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We have an LG washing machine and unfortunately it just threw the TE error code. If you're joining us from the previous videos where we walked you through option number 1 and 2 on how to get that water out of your washing machine, glad to have you in this video. It's option number 3 and we are going to direct our attention to that tiny little drain hose. Let's take a look. At the washing machine now, at the very bottom you have this access door. Go ahead and open it up and carefully do not break this. Pinch these little prongs together and you want to remove this entire access door altogether. Set that aside. And I have a glass baking dish that you usually do casseroles in or whatever. And what I want to do is access this mini drain line here, pull it off its prongs, carefully pull it out, and we are going to disconnect this cap and drain all water into this pan. And it might fill up pretty fast. The water might be a little dirty, have some sediments or dirt in it. Go ahead and let the tub drain as much as this dish will allow. If it fills up, cap it off, grab a new dish or empty this one, and then reposition it back into place and continue draining. Now after the tub is completely drained, go ahead and cap it off. Cap is back on, slowly and carefully reposition it back into its hole and secure it on the actual plastic tabs there. Shift the dish out of the way, try not to spill anything. Carefully reposition it into place and secure it. And again, this is plastic, be real careful, try not to break it. From here you want to come up top, turn it on, and you actually want to start this entire cycle over again from the very beginning. And I recommend doing it on warm cold because the TE code usually happens when it is on the warm setting. And there's a reason for that. So don't forget to add more soap and run a completely new cycle. And during that cycle, if it actually throws the TE code once again, at this point now it's time to start looking into replacing a part. And that part is your heating element. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.